In this tutorial, we'll be covering how to connect a SnatchBot chatbot to the Line messaging platform. Now, as always, lots of people are trying to reach as many users as they can with their chatbot, and Line is an excellent tool to allow you to do that. So here's how you do it. First, navigate to My Bots from the left-hand menu, and then select the chatbot that you wish to edit. In this case, Main Street Med Center. From there, navigate to Channels, and then select Line. And SnatchBot makes this very easy. It'll give you a step-by-step breakdown of how to set this up, but I'll walk you through it. The first step has to do with logging into the developer console and creating your Line business ID. That's fairly straightforward. I'll leave you to do that. I've already done that. We can jump ahead to step 2. So here, this is when we have to create a channel and create providers. So I'll guide you through that in the Line platform. In this case, the provider is whoever is offering this chatbot. So in this case, I'm just going to say Main Street Medical Center and create. Now, once that's done, you'll need to create a channel, which you can do by selecting Create a Messaging API Channel. From there, you'll be taken to a form with some fields to fill out. You can add photo if you'd like. I'm going to call this Main Street Med Center. That character limit. I'm going to name this chatbot to support Main Street Med Center. Essentially, this is where you could put the information about your chatbot. And then you can select a category, which helps to nail down what it actually is. Select local business and e-commerce, and spas, beauty, and personal care. Next, you'll have to enter an email address. Finally, if you have a privacy policy URL and a terms of use URL, you can enter them here, but they are optional. From there and there, I'll select create. And we'll let that load. And there we go. That channel for Main Street Med Center has now been created. So once we've done this, there are a few different steps that we'll need to take. First, we'll go to our messaging API settings, and we'll navigate to webhook settings. Select edit, and in this case, I'll grab an endpoint URL from the SnatchBot guide page that you can find in the Help Center. I'm going to drop that back in there. I'm just going to add the HTTPS. I'll update that, and then I'll select verify. Give that one more shot. I'm going to turn it on. And there we go. It's a success. So the other thing that we'll want to do is to issue this channel access token that you'll need. And then we're going to jump back. As you can see, we've gone through a few of the steps already in there. And we've done our webhook edit. And the other thing we'll do once we're there is to disable greeting messages and auto reply messages. You can do that by selecting edit. And then disabling that and disabling greeting messages. And those changes are saved. Next, you're going to need the channel secret and the messaging and the channel access token, long-lived for messaging API. You can grab that second one, the channel access token, long-lived, from at the bottom of the messaging API. And finally, channel secret is available under basic settings. I'm going to drop that in. Step 5, if you'd like to add a line ID, you can, but I'm all right without it in this case. And finally, deploy. And with that, this chatbot is now live and accessible through my Line account, and we'll be able to chat with others in public. So as you can see, there are a couple steps, but it's pretty easy, and this should guide you through to allow you to get it up and running in under 10 minutes. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and it has you well on your way to using Line with a SnatchBot chatbot.